This pull-apart bread was warm, cheesy, and delicious. So hold up, let me cook. Now you can make your bread from scratch, but I decided to make my life a little bit easier by grabbing these sourdough loaves from my grocery store. Then I started cutting vertically and horizontally to create the pull-apart bread. I then took about 5 tablespoons of butter, got it melted, and then added a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then 3 tablespoons of the Dano's spicy seasonings, you know, the one with the red top. Now it's time to grab some string cheese. I went ahead and cut that into fourths and then cut it right down the middle so I could stuff it in the crevices of that bread. But before I could stuff anything in the bread, I had to brush the bread with that spicy Dano's butter that I prepared earlier. I made sure to get the spicy Dano's butter on every crevice of the bread that I possibly could before I started stuffing it with the cheese. Now stuff that bread with as much cheese as you can possibly cram in there. Now wrap your cheesy bread up in some foil and toss it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Now once the 20 minutes is up, we're going to crank the oven up to 400 degrees and then toss the bread back in there uncovered for another 3 minutes. And now all you have to do is enjoy, because